If you like these stories and you want to follow the giants along on their adventures, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.
I'm a giant toy.
The giant children were so excited. They had just got the mail, and inside was their make-your-own wood toy car. They had each ordered one and were patiently waiting for it to come. They had to wait 10 days before they got it in the mail. And it wasn't 1 second after they had brought them into their house that the packages were opened. The giant children loved doing projects, and this project was especially exciting because they would be making their own toys. The kit they ordered came with a wood block, 2 axles, and 4 wheels. They already had the perfect paint to paint their cars once they had completed carving them out. First, they picked out the design they wanted their cars to turn out to look like. Then, with a pencil, they marked on the wood where they needed to cut. And with the help of their dad, they cut the wood pieces exactly the way they wanted them. Luna, the oldest giant child, had hers shaped with a rounded front. Bo carved his to have a pointy nose. Apple Peach Banana made hers in the shape of a bus, and Ernie, the youngest giant child, shaped his in the shape of a pickup truck. After they had all of the cars carved exactly the way they wanted, they had to sand them so they were nice and smooth. Then they got out their paints and started painting. Luna painted hers dark blue with a gold lightning bolt on the side. Bo painted his black with the number 1 on the side. Apple Peach Banana painted her bus, shaped wood car, yellow of course. And Ernie painted his pickup neon green. After they had the cars painted, they admired their work and waited for them to dry. After the long wait for the cars to dry, they pounded in the axles and secured the wheels tightly. It was time to test their cars. They brought their toy wood cars outside, found a smooth, sloping surface on the mountain, lined them all up, and watched them drive down. "Whoa, they work! They actually work!" Bo said. Luna said, "Yeah! You know what would make them better?" And then together, both Luna and Bo said,
Glitter!
Luna said, "How did you know I was going to say that?" Bo said, "'Cause that's exactly what I was thinking too." But remember last time we had glitter and we used it for a project? It got everywhere. Mom wasn't so happy about our glitter project. Luna said, "Well, we should ask her. We're older now. Maybe we can use it and not get it everywhere." Luna, Bo, Apple Peach Banana, and Ernie ran to find their mom. Mom, we finished making our wood cars and now we want glitter for them. I know you said that we are never going to do glitter again because last time it got everywhere, but we're older now, so please, can we use some glitter for our cars? Our cars are so cool, but it would just make it so much cooler and so fantastic. And watch how it shines on the way down the mountain. After thinking about it for a couple seconds, Mom Giant agreed to get the glitter down out of the craft bucket. "Here's some glitter, kids," Try not to get it everywhere. Only use the amount of glitter that's going to stick to the glue on your cars. Got it?
Got it.
They all said together. Then the giant children got hard at work. Bo was putting glue on his number 1. Luna was putting glue on her gold lightning bolt. Apple Peach Banana was putting glue over her entire bus. And Ernie was putting glue wherever he felt like it. Then they carefully got the glitters that they wanted. Bo wanted blue glitter. Luna wanted gold glitter. Apple Peach Banana wanted rainbow glitter. And Ernie picked up the silver glitter. But at the last second, Ernie changed his mind and went to grab the gold glitter from in front of Luna's hand. At the same time, Luna was going to grab the gold glitter. Ernie's hand knocked the gold glitter all over and it went up in a big glitter explosion. You could actually hear the glitter exploding out of the glitter jar. Whoa, it's beautiful, Luna said, as she was realizing that they had just made a giant mess of the glitter, which they had promised Mom Giant they were not going to do. Uh-oh, Bo said. We better clean this up quick. Bo grabbed the vacuum. Luna grabbed the sweeper and dustpan. Apple Peach Banana grabbed some wet towels. And Ernie grabbed some sticky tape. All 4 kids got busy working on cleaning up the glitter mess. Mom Giant was outside working, and she could come inside at any minute. So the giant children worked as hard as they could and as fast as they could to get the glitter cleaned up. Don't forget to vacuum under the couch, Luna reminded Bo. Don't forget to sweep on top of the table, Bo reminded Luna. Use the sticky tape on all the cracks, Apple Peach Banana told Ernie. Wipe down the walls, Ernie told Apple Peach Banana. They had to pick up and clean underneath everything as the glitter had weaseled its way. Underneath cups, underneath pieces of paper, and in between the couch cushions. Once they all felt like they had done a good enough job with the tools that they had, they switched tools. And then this way, Luna was vacuuming now. Bo was sweeping. Apple Peach Banana was using the sticky tape to get any little pieces of glitter anywhere on the house. And Ernie was now using the wet towels. They went over the entire house again, just to make sure there was no glitter hiding anywhere. They wanted to use glitter again, and they knew if Mom Giant saw another glitter mess, they wouldn't be able to use glitter for 2 more years. Now they really did do a good job. So they put all their cleaning stuff away, emptied the vacuum, and sat back down. They saw that all of their projects where they had put the glue were covered in gold glitter. Well, I guess we all wanted gold glitter, Bo said. With gold glitter on all their cars, they thought it would be fun to race them now and see if it made a difference whether there was glitter on them or not. They were leaving the house as Mom Giant was coming in from being outside. We're going to go race our cars, he called to Mom. They went back to the sloping side of the mountain and lined up their cars once again. On your marks, get set, go, Bo said as they all let go of their cars and watched how they went down the hill. Bose, with the pointy nose, was able to slice through the air and get down very quickly. Luna's went down almost as quickly as Bo's, but much straighter. Apple Peach Banana's took a little bit longer to get down the hill, and Ernie's pickup truck hit a rock and tumbled the whole way down. With the glitter on the cars, they went down pretty much the same as they had gone down without the glitter, but they were way more spectacular to watch. That night at dinner, Mom Giant was saying, "Wow, you guys, I'm so impressed at how clean our house is. I thought for sure, with you guys using glitter, it would be everywhere." Just as Mom was saying that, Luna noticed some glitter hiding behind Ernie's ears. So she quickly got a napkin and swiped it off, hiding it in her lap. "Oh yes, Mom, we are very responsible with the glitter now," Luna said, while winking at Bo and Apple Peach Banana and Ernie. "Those cars sure turned out nice," Dad Giant said. "I'm impressed that you guys did that whole project all by yourselves. Tomorrow, let's build a racetrack for them." "I'm in," Bo replied. The rest of the night was spent designing the perfect racetrack to fit all of their vehicles on. The end. Good night, Giants.